The new education policy is certainly a step in the right direction. Something that we have been fighting for 10 to 20 years. We have been talking about this is an age-old system, doesn't work for 21st century. Now, at least someone has heard and brought in principle, at least, certain changes that can be there into the education system. I believe there is a lot more to be done at an implementation level because most of the things have been planned. Like from class 6th onwards, you will be going for a vocational training. Now you need to have proper labs, you need to have proper creative corners, you need to have sports facilities, you need to have many innovative challenges in terms of bringing the infrastructure according to the policy that has been made. Now, how many of us would be expecting that changes? That is again a question mark. We'll have to see that. One good thing is that there is no stream that will be there now. The best thing is they are going to be interdisciplinary. This is what we were talking about in 21st century. No problem can be solved in isolation. You need multiple knowledge. A student of science should study history. A student of architecture should study economics. A student of medical should know psychology. So a lot of changes that are coming up are going to definitely boost up this entire education system for this country. Youngsters should be enthusiastic. Early education can be seen as pertaining to language. Yes, certainly if you teach in your own language, it is easy for the children to understand. But definitely English remains at the center focal level. You cannot lose out on learning the language, which is still there. Let's see how it is being implemented. Another important aspect here is related to college education. When you move towards a college education, you will study a 4 years degree program like an international university. You will have an option to quit if you do not want to continue with higher education right after 3 years, which is again a great step. Now, a lot of people I see falling with degrees, moving for different positions. They look forward to jobs by 3 years degree. Now that is something where they have to make a choice. If they want to study further, they want to hone their skills. If they've already honed their skills, right after 3 years, they can go for a job, leave the program, leave the study, and continue working on skills. And those who want to take up higher studies should only go for 4 years program, like those who want to go for MBA, those who want to go for MTech, MS programs. It is quite a valid point that you should have 4 years of graduation like you get into all the universities abroad. Mostly the system has been liberalized. It has been less regulated now. Gradually it is also being said that colleges would be given this authority to issue the degrees on their own. Now I'm sure those colleges would be colleges of eminence and they would have already done a great job into the market. So such colleges will have greater autonomy and they would be moving away from UGC and they would be able to catch up better. They would have less regulation, their curriculum can be better, and this is what was required since years. So I welcome this challenge, I welcome this change, and I wish all the best to the students, and I wish this will be implemented in the most honest manner, unlike the previous policies that have been a failure. Thank you.